Welcome to Lubera, Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. And today I'm in the paradise, in the Dahlia paradise. Yes, I'm a fruit breeder and I'm more interested in fruits and berries, but I like blooms and I like flowers and I like dahlias. It's end of September. It's exactly the second last day of September. It will be October over tomorrow, and I'm here in the paradise, in the Dahlia paradise of Peter Haslhofer, which is the most known Austrian dahlia breeder. I think he's also the most known dahlia breeder in Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. And he is doing his living by producing cut flowers dahlia, and though that's the reason his varieties are very strong. They have strong heads, and they are very stable. And here now he has spread a big assortment of varieties, which bring together both qualities, both worlds. The world of garden dahlias, with big flowers, which are withstanding also heavy weather changes in summer and autumn, which have no problem to grow outside, together with the quality of pot dahlias. But his dahlias are both. They are freeland, they are garden dahlias, but they are compact, natural, without any chemistry. They are about growing 1 meter. And we are now searching the best varieties for our assortment 2018. And next year, from May on, you can buy the pot dahlias, the key pot dahlias by the breeder Peter Haslhofer at the Lubera garden shop. So the best of both worlds. Garden dahlias, grown in a pot, compact about 1 meter, with very stable blooms and heads. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and now pick the flowers.